Now, this is how you can make a screenshot on the Apple Watch. So it is pretty simple when it comes to the process. So you essentially just grab your Apple Watch, and on the side you have the digital crown as well as this side button right next to it. So in order to take a screenshot, you need to press the two of them at the same time, right? So it's easily doable with just one thumb like this. You can just press it and now the screenshot should be taken. If it's not the case, as you can see, it did not happen in my case, then you need to tweak some settings. So on the iPhone, which is paired to your specific Apple Watch, open up the Watch app like this and make sure to get inside of the general section of your settings here. So tap on general, many different things which are in here. And there is one option when you scroll down called enable screenshots. So you just have to make sure that the toggle is green. You can now leave the app and perform the very same gesture. You could see a little like white screen flashing, and now the screenshot has been saved. So when you check out the photos right here, you should be able to check it out in here. Obviously, if it shows up, if not, then it should automatically appear on your iPhone, right? So it depends on how you have the Photos app set up, but it will most definitely show up on your iPhone, right? So when I swipe like this, you can see now we have the screenshot right here. So that's how it works. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to this channel down below if you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next video.